Welcome to Sure Success, and in today's video we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter Through the Eyes of Travelers. This chapter is fifth chapter from the book History. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first question is, who wrote Kitabul Hind? Options are IBN Battuta, A.L. Biruni, Francois Bernier, Marco Polo, and the correct answer is A.L. Biruni. A.L. Biruni wrote Kitabul Hind. What are the subjects on which travelers compiled their accounts? Options are affairs of the court, religious issues, architecture, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Subjects on which travelers compiled their accounts are all the options given below. Okay, who gave us the most important descriptions of Vijayanagar in the 15th century? Options are IBN Battuta, Abdul Razak, Francois Bernier, Marco Polo, and the correct answer is Abdul Razak. He gave us the most important descriptions of Vijayanagar in the 15th century. Okay, the next question is, which of the following travelers came to India during the 17th century? Options are Marco Polo, Antonio Monserrate, IBN Battuta, Francois Bernier, and the correct answer is Francois Bernier. He was the traveler who came to India during the 17th century. Okay, who is the author of Rila? Options are Mahmud Wali Balkhi, Duarte Barbosa, IBN Battuta, A.L. Biruni, and the correct answer is IBN Battuta. He was the author of Rila. Who translated several Sanskrit works including Patanjali's work on grammar into Arabic? Options are Mahmud Wali Balkhi, A.L. Biruni, Marco Polo, IBN Battuta, and the correct answer is A.L. Biruni. He translated several Sanskrit work including Patanjali's work on grammar into Arabic. Okay, the next question is, where did A.L. Biruni develop an interest in India? Options are Ghazni, Punjab, China, Syria, and the correct answer is Ghazni. He developed an interest in India when he was in Ghazni. Okay, hope you guys are understanding the video, and once who are new to my channel, do subscribe the channel as I am uploading new chapters every day in a series of MCQ, and kindly watch the video till end as the questions we are discussing in this video are the most important questions for your upcoming examination. So without wasting any time, let's continue the video. The next question is, find out from the following pairs which one is correctly matched. Options are Rila, Francois Bernier, Travels in the Mughal Empire, IBN Battuta, Kitab-ul Hind, A.L. Biruni, and the correct answer is Kitab-ul Hind, A.L. Biruni. The pairs are correctly matched. Okay, indicate which of these following statements is not correct. Options are A.L. Biruni came to India in the 11th century from Uzbekistan, IBN Battuta came to India in the 14th century from Morocco, Abdul Razak came to India in the 15th century from Herat, Francois Bernier came to India in the 17th century from Portugal, and the correct answer is Francois Bernier came to India in the 17th century from Portugal. This is not the correct statement. Option number D is the correct answer. Okay, IBN Battuta remained in India for dash years. How many years did IBN Battuta remain in India? Options are 12 years, 14 years, 16 years, 18 years, and the correct answer is 12 years. For 12 years he remained in India. Okay, which of the following cities according to IBN Battuta was the largest? Options are Surat, Delhi, Daulatbad, Agra, and the correct answer is Delhi. According to him, Delhi was the largest city. Okay, who wrote the book Travels in the Mughal Empire? Options are Francois Bernier, John Marshall, Kellyn Mackenzie, James Prinsep, and the correct answer is Francois Bernier. He wrote the book Travels in the Mughal Empire. Okay, the next question is, which among the following was the book written by A.L. Biruni? Options are Rilha, Kitab-ul Hind, Discovery of India, Arthashastra, and the correct answer is Kitab-ul Hind. This was the book written by A.L. Biruni. Okay, choose the correct option. Now you need to choose the correct option given below. Who founded Delhi as a city full of exciting opportunities? Options are IBN Battuta, A.L. Biruni, Francois Berner, Karl Marx. And the correct answer is IBN Battuta. He founded Delhi as a city full of exciting opportunities. Okay, the next question is, which Portuguese writer provided a detailed account of trade and society in South India? Options are Jean Baptiste Tavernier, Duarte Barbosa, Francois Bernier, IBN Battuta. And the correct answer is Duarte Barbosa. Okay, which of the following was not one of the areas as discussed by A.L. Biruni? Options are language, slavery in the Eastern societies, difference in religious beliefs and practices, self-absorption and the resulting ignorance of the local population. The correct answer is slavery in the Eastern societies. Okay, the next question is, which of the following statements is incorrect? That means within these statements, which one is incorrect? Options are, according to IBN Battuta, the nut of the coconut tree looked like similar to the man's head. According to Bernier, the Indian peasantry was exploited by the landlords. Abdur Razak is perhaps the only historian who provided a detailed account of the working of the imperial kharkhanas of workshop. IBN Battuta gave a detailed account of slavery in India. And the correct answer is option number C. Abdur Razak is perhaps the only historian who provided a detailed account of the working of the imperial kharkhanas of workshops. This is not the correct statement. This statement is incorrect. Okay, which of these French travelers came to India during 17th century? Options are A.L. Biruni, IBN Battuta, Abul Fayl, Francois Bernier. And the correct answer is Francois Bernier. Okay, consider the following statements. Options are, Montesquieu used Bernier's account to develop his idea of Oriental despotism. Bernier gave a detailed report on rural society. According to Bernier, crown ownership of land was good for peasants. Bernier considered Indian king was the king of beggars. Which of the given statements is or are correct? And the correct option is 1, 2 and 4. These three options are correct. Okay, who choose the correct option? Options are IBN Battuta traveled extensively in China. A.L. Biruni found the Indian cities quite populated. A.L. Biruni was greatly influenced by Indian postal system. According to IBN Battuta, crown ownership of land was quite disastrous for farmers. The correct answer is, according to IBN Battuta, crown ownership of land was quite disastrous for farmers. Okay, by this we come to an end of the video. आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर कर दीजिए, और अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट्स आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँचे. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.